In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in Google Workspace with an estimated voiceover length of about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Whether you're a business just getting started with Google Workspace or you're simply updating your domain verification, this guide aims to make your transition as seamless as possible. Let's begin by logging into the Google Workspace Admin Console. This is your central hub for managing all things related to Workspace. Once you're logged in, the first task is to grab the TXT verification record that Google provides. This record is a key element because it tells Google that you own your domain and are authorized to manage it. Keep this record handy because we're going to use it in the next steps. Now that you have your TXT verification record, the journey takes us over to your HostGator cPanel. This is where you manage your domain's DNS settings, which include the records that tell the internet how to route requests for your domain. Once you've logged into your cPanel, navigate over to the DNS Zone Editor. This tool gives you access to all of your domain's DNS records, and it's the place where you'll be adding a new TXT record. In the DNS Zone Editor, find the area to add a new TXT record. Input your domain name, and then paste the TXT verification record you've copied from Google Workspace. This addition essentially notifies the domain name system about the new authorization from Google. While adding, double check you've entered everything correctly. It's crucial that there aren't any typos or errors, as these can lead to verification failures. Once you've added the record, save your changes. It's worth noting that DNS changes might not take effect immediately. Sometimes they propagate across the internet quickly, but other times it can take a few hours for those changes to be fully recognized. This is normal, so don't be alarmed if you don't see immediate results. Finally, let's head back to Google Workspace to complete the process. In the Admin Console, you'll find an option to verify your domain. Select it and give Google Systems the chance to establish communication with the DNS records you've just updated. If everything is set up correctly, you'll receive confirmation that your domain is verified. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your domain with Google Workspace. Verifying your domain is a crucial step because it allows you access to the full suite of collaborative tools that Google Workspace has to offer. With your domain verified, you can create custom email addresses, enhance your organization's collaboration abilities, and ensure that you are securely managing your organization's communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process as clear and straightforward as possible. Stay tuned for more guides and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have.